Hello, today I'm going to talk about the Gleam White Crest Fresh Anti-Cavity Whitening Toothpaste. It is peppermint flavored and happens to be 2.9 ounces, which I believe is pretty standard for toothpaste in tubes like this, at least medium-sized ones. It definitely does a good job at cleaning and whitening my teeth. It comes in this rectangular cardboard box, which I've disposed of, but I'm sure that most toothpaste come in this box, so it's pretty standard. There is fluoride, anti-cavity toothpaste. So that is definitely good when it comes to your cavities and keeping your mouth clean and healthy. It also is very fresh. And what I like about the taste is it's not too strong, but also not too sweet. It's actually a pretty mild. So when you are using it, it doesn't like sting your mouth or whatever. And if you have sensitive gums, it's just really like pleasant. Also, I have a sweet tooth, a very strong sweet tooth. I brush my teeth in the morning and the evening and sometimes after lunch. It's basically recommended. So it does smell like peppermint too. Unscrewing this cap, plastic white cap here. Standard toothpaste cap. It's not roll away. And it's definitely got, yeah, it's a white paste. So it doesn't have those colorful streaks that a lot of toothpaste have. Let me turn over. And it smells really good too. So it keeps your, you don't have to worry about bad breath. And I've gone through a few of these. I share it with my partner. And we got this one about a week ago. So we both use it, so we go through it. And it fits in your luggage, you can travel with it. The active ingredients, sodium fluoride, it's a 0.243%. The tube is plasticky and it's white. I like that the cap doesn't just pop off like some of them. I like the screw off ones because it makes it easier to kind of clean these, wipe down the tops, because then it dries up and it's harder to close with the other ones. It's basically the average, size here. So Crest makes all sorts of, toothpaste flavors, and they're a pretty well-known brand. A lot of people don't know about Gleam though. So Gleam was a brand of toothpaste made by Procter & Gamble company. I believe it was discontinued in 2014, but Procter & Gamble now markets to the Gleam formulation under the brand name Crest Fresh and White. Store it with your toothbrush in the bathroom. It's basically that kind of product. Inactive ingredients include sorbitol, water, hydrated silica, sodium lauryl sulfate, and I apologize if I mispronounce some of these words. They're not ones that I use every day. Trisodium phosphate, flavor, sodium phosphate, cellulose, gum, sodium saccharin, carbomer, titanium dioxide. So those are just some of the things that it has in it. So I definitely enjoy using this, and it definitely has kept my teeth feeling clean. I don't feel like there's this kind of residue afterwards or any kind of aftertaste, which is nice. And it's pretty good for, say, when you have guests, you can lend them the toothpaste because it just kind of works for everyone. It's like a universal flavor, you know, peppermint. So I usually use stronger mouthwash, so having something that doesn't taste as strong in your mouth when you're brushing your teeth actually balances it out pretty well. I guess I'm someone who thinks about that stuff a lot. But I would definitely give this toothpaste a try. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching this video.